Hello everyone, I am Suman Roy and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is sign placement of Venus. Means check in which sign Venus is placed in your natal chart, because Venus is the very important planet that denotes love, relationship, your married life, creativity and many more things we can check from this planet. And as always, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from this channel. And of course, if you found this video helpful, then please hit the like button and also comment below. Share this video with all the astrology lovers. And if you want to take any personal consultation from me, then go to the description section. You will get all the details from there. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's start. See, this is a general prediction based on the sign placement of Venus, but it will also depend on which house it is placed in your natal chart and conjunction of any planets with Venus. We have to check all of that, then we can get any conclusion. Okay, now if Venus is placed in Aries sign, then it basically indicates that this person will maintain a positive approach towards life. This person will kind of headstrong. Impulsiveness will be there into the love relationship. This person will be kind of careless into love relationship, but they will be honest. Whenever they like someone, they will go and just approach them. They will never think twice about that outcome. This person will be kind of straightforward. Their impulsiveness can hamper the relationship, so they have to be careful about that. This person will be very much inclined towards materialistic things rather than religious things. Now if Venus goes to the Taurus sign, then Taurus sign is ruled by Venus. So here Venus will perform good. This person will be more inclined towards materialistic things and luxurious things. This person will be stable into love relationship and they will take love relationship very seriously. They will show care to their partner. Some kind of possessiveness will be there into that relationship. But otherwise relationship will go smoothly. If your Venus goes to the Gemini sign, then this person will be kind of childish. Okay, they will be very much curious about relationship, love, etc. Sometimes their communication will be all around relationship and love. They will go into relationships sometimes out of curiosity. Their love preferences will change very quickly. But this person will be very friendly and there will be a childlike innocence into them. They will be very much optimistic as well. Now, if your Venus goes to the Cancer sign, then it basically indicates that this person will be very much emotional and they will be very much emotionally attached towards their partner. They will fall in love very quickly and get hurt as well. They will be very much caring towards their partner. They will be very fond of creative things. If your Venus goes to the Leo sign, then it basically indicates that this person will be very good in artistic things. They will be kind of performing actors. Okay, very good actors we can see from this placement. Because Leo is the fifth sign which indicates creativity and Venus is also the planet that shows creativity. So this combination makes a person very much creative. Okay, this person will be very much expressive in love relationship. If they are in love with you, then they will show it and very lavishly they will show it. They can give you very expensive gifts as well. They will love attention and also they love appreciation in love. They like to lead in the relationship. They also like their freedom and independence. They are very much honest partner as well. Okay, now If your Venus goes to the Virgo sign, then in Virgo sign Venus gets debilitated. So kind of problems in married life is shown from here, but this person actually very much committed towards their partner. They will be very much dedicated as well into that relationship, and they prefer perfectionism into that relationship. They will try to make their partner perfect. In this case, they will try to find out some faults into their partner and try to rectify those faults. So this type of things can hamper that relationship. But the main intention of these people is not to hurt anyone, not to hurt their partner. They actually care for their partner, and this is just an expression of love. Okay. Now, if Venus is in Libra sign, then very good negotiation quality will be present into that person. They will try to maintain that relationship and maintain harmony into that relationship. They will fall in love easily. Their main aim is to convert their love into marriage. They will compromise into relationship as well if needed. They will care for their partner and always try to make them happy. Libra is the sign which is ruled by Venus. So in this case, love relationship will not that much hampered and will go smoothly. If Venus is in Scorpio sign, then first of all, these people will be very much honest into relationship, and they will expect same kind of honesty from their loved ones. So if in your partner's chart Venus is in Scorpio sign, then don't try to mess with them, okay? And don't try to cheat, because then the outcome will be very bad for you. These people will be kind of secretive about their feelings, and there will be kind of trust issues as well. They will be very much possessive about their partner, but as well as very much caring. If Venus goes to the Sagittarius sign, then it basically shows that this type of people will be very much open-minded, and they will not commit easily into relationships. They are kind of freedom-loving people, very much friendly as well. They love adventures, and they want to explore new things, new places. Okay, they also try to explore new things with their loved ones, or in marriage also with their partner. They will be more inclined towards religious things. They will love to read religious books as well. They will prefer philosophical or spiritual connection with the partner. If your Venus goes to the Capricorn sign, then it basically indicates that you will be kind of a reserved person and reserved about your feelings. You will take relationships very seriously, and your main goal in relationship is to convert that relationship into marriage. See, my Venus is also in Capricorn sign, so I know that things very well, okay? So this type of Venus in Capricorn is very much good for professional life, but some kind of challenges will be there into love relationship. You will like goal-oriented people more. If your Venus goes to the Aquarius sign, then it basically shows that this person will prefer friendship more into any kind of relationship. They will be kind of detached person, okay, because they will love their freedom. They like to be into their space. They will not tolerate any type of disturbances into their independence or their space. They will enjoy the company of their friends. They like to be with their friends. In many cases, it has been observed that this type of people marry late. If in your partner's chart Venus is in Aquarius sign, then I will suggest that you should create a bond of friendship with your partner. Then only your relationship will go smoothly. Then you will able to understand them very easily. If your Venus goes to the Pisces sign, then in this sign Venus gets exalted. So this type of people are very much soft-hearted, sensitive, and very much sympathetic in relationship. They will be very much kind of flexible, okay, and their understanding capability is very good in relationship. They are very much kind-hearted people, so many people try to take advantage of you, so you have to be aware of that. Otherwise, this type of people are kind of imaginative and intuitive as well. This type of people are dedicated into relationship and give their 200% into that relationship. Okay, so I covered all the 12 signs and I hope you will get some kind of similarity based on that. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.